Nestled within a tranquil outdoor environment, this contemporary garden emerges as a stunning fusion of nature and artistry. At its heart lies a captivating vertical wall, a vibrant display of green ferns and textured silver plants, which together create a lush, living tapestry set against a rustic stone backdrop. This vertical garden not only enhances the visual appeal of the space, but also serves as a testament to the beauty of sustainable design. Opposite this verdant masterpiece, a mesmerizing mosaic of blues and greens artfully captures the gentle flow of water, evoking a sense of serenity and calm. This tranquil mosaic oasis invites observers to pause and take in the soothing colors, reminiscent of a peaceful stream gliding through the landscape. Angular wooden benches are thoughtfully placed throughout the garden, providing inviting spots for relaxation and contemplation. Their modern design harmonizes beautifully with the organized yet natural layout of the stone pathways and patches of soft grass that seamlessly weave through the surroundings. Enveloped by lush foliage and dappled sunlight filtering through the overhead trees, this serene space embodies a perfect balance of organic beauty and contemporary design. It encourages visitors to immerse themselves in its tranquility, making it an ideal setting for moments of peaceful reflection. In essence, this garden is not merely a collection of plants and art. It is a living testament to the artistry of nature and human creativity intertwined.